Taking a break while traveling is really important. Taking a break while traveling with your friend kind of makes it special. So they say, friends that travel together stay together.
What's up, people? My name is David Frank and this is Benjamin. Welcome back to my channel, Dave Vlogs. So today we are on another ride. We're planning to visit the Manchanabele Dam. We just stopped here to have some tea and get some energy from eating the bananas. So we were just having a small talk with the person here, and he said that recently 2 people died in the dam and they're not allowing. But anyways, we planned our ride. So let's head there, see how we can explore the place and the bench. Yeah. Let's go.
The Manchanabele Dam is just within 50 kilometers away from Bangalore. It should be a quick ride. When you're almost reaching the place, you should see a beautiful view from the roadside. But make sure you park the vehicles properly and then admire the view. Always be friendly to the localites to the place you visit, so that they give you valuable information about the place. When we reached the place, all of the gates were closed and we were not able to get in through the gates. Since we were not able to get in through the gates, we tried finding a different route to the dam, and we saw people walking towards the dam. So we thought we could take our bikes as close by to the place, since there was no parking available.
We've reached the place. We have a bike parked here. Yeah, the gates are closed, so you wouldn't be able to get in any of the gates. But there's a path, so we're walking. யாராச்சும் நம்மளை வந்து துரத்தாத இருந்தா சரி. ஆமா. Okay, interesting. Okay, so they've actually blocked the way here. பாப்பா முள்ளு போட்டுக்கிறாங்க. It's a dead end, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Seems like a dead end. Our bench. Okay, they've blocked all the entries. Okay. Happens. We've reached the place. We are not allowed to go inside through any of the gates. So what we did was we found another route to one of the points from here. I mean, if you all see, this is the view for us. But yeah, we had to walk a lot to reach this place, and not sure if we are allowed here. But yeah, there was a fence that was already open, so we didn't break any fence and then come in the fence.
Yeah. We are right next to the fence over here.
Yeah. So we didn't want to go even more further, get into trouble. So let's watch the view from here.
The elevated land surrounding the dam is covered with thick green trees that goes on for miles and miles. The environment is fresh, the air is clean because of the wide varieties of trees and shrubs growing in the area. It is a great place for a day's trip from Bangalore. Even though it was a popular picnic spot, it is now closed for visitors and you can only watch the dam from a distance. After taking some drone shots, we decided to leave the place and met another localite on the way. He suggested us not to stay here for long, so we left the place and we stopped at a tender coconut shop. And the localite there suggested us to see another viewpoint close by to the place, so we decided to go there.
Wow. Look there. See.
Once we reached the place, the view from the place was really amazing. So we quickly thought we'd go ahead and shoot my intro video there. We also met people there who did not come to see the view, but for other reasons. So people, stay safe in places like this. Hope you all liked the video. Please like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell notification. Signing off, David.